Hello dear kids, this is Himanshi from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Welcome once again to our class. So kids, we were learning small letters, okay? And we have learned so many letters till now. Today, first we will revise them and then move to the next letter, okay? So let's start. See here, which letter is this? Yes, small letter C, seeker. And this one, small letter A. And this one is small letter E. First you make C, then a slipping line. Small letter E. And this one is O, small letter O. And this is D. Yes, D. First you make C, then a standing line. And this one is B. First you make a standing line and then a left curve. And this one is L says L. This is small L. And this is, yes, this is H. It says first standing line and then a downward curve. And this one is, yes, I says E. A small standing line and a dot on the top. And this one is J. Jelly. Standing line and a turn. Dot on the top. This is J. We start J from the second line and come to the root line. And this one is small G. G says G. First we make C, then a standing line and a turn like J. This is G. G says G. This is also a root letter. Start from the second line and touch the bottom line. And this one is Q. Q says quack. First we make C, standing line and a little slanting line. Q. This is also a root letter. And this is P says P. This is also a root letter. The letter that touch the bottom line are root letter. And the letter that remains in the middle two lines, only in the blue lines, they are grass letter. And the letter that touch the top line, sky line, they are sky letter. Which letter is this? This is F, small f. Standing line and a turn and a slipping line in the middle. Okay? And this one is T, opposite of F. Standing line and a turn, slipping line. J में टर्न किस तरफ होता है? लेफ्ट हैंड की तरफ. और T में राइट हैंड की तरफ. एंड दिस वन इज K. K says kicking. कैपिटल K में हम स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाकर स्टैंडिंग लाइन के मिडल से स्लैंटिंग लाइंस बनाते हैं और स्मॉल में हम सिर्फ ग्रास लाइन में स्लैंटिंग लाइन बनाते हैं. ओके? एंड दिस वन इज R. R says R. This one is R, a small standing line and a slanting line touching the second blue line. Okay? And this one is N. N says small n. Standing line in the grass line and a downward curve. Okay? Downward curve. And this one is small m. standing line, one curve and another curve. This is small m. I hope you all are practicing these letters at your home and now you can write them. Okay, so today we will learn a new letter. Which letter is this? This is U. U says A. U says A. This is capital U and this one is small u. Capital U, small u. You are uncle. You are umbrella. You are aunt. Once again, you are uncle. You are umbrella. You are aunt. So let's see how to write letter U. Look here. Make a upward curve. Okay. And then come down with a standing line. This is also a grass letter. We write this letter in two blue lines, second and third. Okay. Once again, make a upward curve. On the same line, come down. हम उसी सेम कर्व की लाइन पर ही स्टैंडिंग लाइन नीचे लेकर आएंगे. ओके. Upside curve, come down on the same line and make a little standing line. Okay. Once again, upward curve and a small standing line. कैपिटल यू और स्मॉल यू में क्या डिफरेंस है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन दीज टू यू? कैपिटल यू हम फर्स्ट लाइन से बनाते हैं, थर्ड लाइन तक आते हैं, 1 2 3 लाइन से बनता है. और स्मॉल यू ग्रास लेटर है, ये सेकंड और थर्ड लाइन में बनता है, दोनों ब्लू लाइंस के बीच में बनता है. ओके. जैसे आप कैपिटल यू बनाते हैं, छोटा सा बनाया आपने स्मॉल और उसी के ऊपर एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन नीचे की ओर लिया. वंस अगेन अपवर्ड कर्व एंड अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन. हाउ इजी दिस लेटर इज? ओके. अपवर्ड कर्व एंड अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन. ओके. बना रहे हैं ना आप भी? वेरी गुड. अपवर्ड कर्व, the small standing line. Okay, so this is small letter U. Small letter U. I hope you will practice all these letters at your home. We will come with a new letter in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.